The future of home cleaning is here. No more pushing around heavy vacuums, no more dealing with dust clouds. Robot vacuums are changing the game. But with so many options out there, which one should you trust to keep your floors spotless? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums you can buy right now. From budget-friendly picks to high-end cleaning powerhouses, let's dive in. Number 5. UFI 11S Max. If you're looking for an affordable robot vacuum that still gets the job done, the UFI 11S Max is a solid choice. It's slim, quiet, and powerful enough to tackle everyday messes. With 2,000 on pay of suction, it can handle pet hair, crumbs, and dust. The super thin design lets it glide under furniture, cleaning spots most vacuums can't reach. And with up to 100 minutes of runtime, it can cover a decent-sized space before heading back to recharge. Now, it doesn't have fancy mapping or smart navigation, so it might bump around randomly. But for the price, it's a great entry-level robot vacuum. Number 4. Roborock S8 Plus. Stepping up in performance, the Roborock S8 Plus brings serious cleaning power. It features dual roller brushes that prevent hair from tangling, making it perfect for pet owners. Plus, with 6,000 PA of suction, it's one of the most powerful vacuums in this list. But what really sets the S8 Plus apart is its self-emptying dock. No more emptying the dustbin every day. Just set it up and forget about it for weeks. It also has advanced obstacle avoidance, so it won't get stuck on cables or small toys. If you want smart, efficient cleaning with minimal effort, the Roborock S8 Plus is worth considering. Number 3. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. It uses precision vision navigation, which means it identifies objects and adjusts its cleaning accordingly. Pet owners will love this one because it can actually detect and avoid pet waste. No more horrifying messes when you get home. The J9 Plus also empties itself into a base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, so you don't have to worry about frequent maintenance. It's a premium vacuum with AI-powered learning, making it one of the smartest on this list. Number 2. Ecovacs T30S. Now, if you want an all-in-one cleaning solution, the Ecovacs T30S is a beast. Not only does it vacuum with powerful suction, but it also has zero-tangle technology to handle hair like a pro. And unlike traditional robot vacuums, this one features a mop with auto-lifting capability, so it knows when to mop and when to switch to vacuum mode. The self-emptying dock and auto-washing system mean you barely have to lift a finger. With AI-powered navigation and voice control, this vacuum can clean your home more efficiently than ever. Number 1. Roborock Q Revo Plus. This vacuum is the ultimate cleaning machine. It combines powerful suction, intelligent mapping, and dual rotating mops to leave your floors spotless. What makes the Q Revo Plus the best? First, its self-washing and drying system keeps the mop fresh and ready to go every time. Second, its reactive AI obstacle avoidance means it recognizes and avoids common household objects, whether it's socks, cables, or pet messes. It's also one of the quietest high-performance vacuums, making it ideal for homes where noise is a concern. With a self-emptying dock, advanced room mapping, and app control, this vacuum is as hands-free as it gets. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly vacuum like the UFI 11S Max or an advanced all-in-one cleaner like the Roborock Q Revo Plus, there's a perfect robot vacuum for everyone. These machines are smarter, more powerful, and more convenient than ever before. If this video helped you find the right vacuum for your home, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments, which robot vacuum are you getting? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.